Triple check sliding window with spring and thermal brake. 50% opening area for maximum ventilation. 112mm outer frame width. 2.0mm wall thickness. For enhanced structural stability. 3068 widened style for improved load bearing capacity and durability. Standard automatic lock for convenient opening and closing and superior security. Plus 12A plus 5 double glazed tempered glass. For superior sound and heat insulation. 304 stainless steel high transparency screen. For both ventilation and insect protection.